Hello, I'm Mihela. Today I'm going to talk about a very unique bird which has a look of a comma around its eye. The greater painted snipe. The greater painted snipe is a species of waders. A medium-sized, stunningly plumaged shorebird of grassy fields and marshes. It is found in marshes in Africa, South Asia and Southeast Asia. Both sexes have a bright white comma around the eye and a white underparts that extend up in an arc above the shoulders. The male is much duller than the female. The female has a bright reddish-brown head and greenish-tinged back and wings. Their calls are like named locally as Raja Ulu kaswatuwa. It is not necessarily a bird that lives in mangroves. However, what you see now is a tour into mangroves that we have done in Bentota. Sri Lanka has many such mangroves. It is very well worth doing a safari or a tour into mangroves to understand its ecosystem. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to see my next video about the long-tailed shrike.